हाय गाइस। मैं हूं आवान रथ और आज मैं आया हूं अपने सेकेंड वीडियो के साथ जिसमें हम बात करेंगे हाउ वी कैन मेक फ्यूल फ्रॉम प्लास्टिक। इस एक्सपेरिमेंट को करने के लिए आपको कुछ इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स की ज़रूरत पड़ेगी, जैसे ग्लास फ्लास्क, टू bottles as condenser, a box with burning candle that will act as oxygen absorber. Here we are showing that the flask in which the fuel will be obtained is empty. Then you simply have to close the box and put a pipe that will absorb all the oxygen present in the flask, as fuel is formed only when plastic is heated in the absence of oxygen. Now you can see gradually the candles will extinguish after all the oxygen in the flask and the box get over. Now you can see the candles have got extinguished. Now please switch on the fire or the burner. There is a kind request for the parents to see the kids how they perform this activity. We have switched on the burner. While heating, you will see that the plastic will be converted into vapors. This process will take some time as the plastic takes some time to get heated. You can use a single bottle as a condenser, but we have used two bottles with cold water as condenser for better effects. We'll see that after heating the plastic for some time, it will be converted into the vapors. Now you can see some of the vapors have already been formed. Actually, this process is a very low cost project, but we need proper instruments for conducting this activity because plastic has become one of the greatest threat to the mankind and our mother earth, as it cannot be disposed of. So guys, please look at this experiment properly and try it yourself. Now you can see the plastic inside the flask is melting and there are certain vapors that are being formed. I hope that you can see the vapors inside the flask. Now a lot of vapors have been already formed inside the flask. There is a notification that you have to use Borosilicate glass flask as it is temperature resistant. Do not use any other glass flask as it can even take your life. Now guys, you can see there is a lot of vapors inside the flask. The flask is getting filled with the vapors that have been formed with the plastic that we have burnt. Now as vapors have been formed, we can now switch off the gas so that the vapors move into the condenser and form a fuel. Now you can see there is a lot of vapors inside the flask. Gradually these vapors will move through this pipe into the two-stage condenser. You can see the path we are locating in the video through which the vapors will be moving into the condenser. Now we switch off the gas. Please wait for some time. But as we have heated it for some more time, the gas has already moved into the condenser and now we will be obtaining the fuel. You can see the fuel is dripping through the pipe into the flask. Please hold the condenser in that situation for some time, as let all the uh, oil flow out of it. Now we'll show you the oil we have obtained. So here you can see that we have obtained a certain amount of oil that we can use for burning in our daily life. This process is eco-friendly because no vapors are released into the atmosphere. Rather, we are using the vapor only to make the fuel. Here you can see the oil is dripping into the container. It will be slightly this color or even darker or even maybe lighter, but it varies according to the plastic you have used. So don't be tensed if you do not get this color. Test it by just putting a matchstick to this fuel, but please be careful. Put the matchstick from a distance. Do not bring it too near to you. Now you can see that I am lighting a matchstick. When I take the matchstick near the fuel, it starts to burn even brighter. So now you can see how the fuel is working. This is how you can make fuel from plastic, and this is a very eco-friendly process. Show it to your parents, share. If you like this video, please share, comment, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to stay tuned for any future updates on my channel. Thank you guys.